in the presence of all these witnesses, from these moments on, your family, and because you, Ryan, and you, Darren, have exchanged before us your promises of love. And in our presence, you have exchanged the symbols which make the pact visible. I, by the power vested in me, now take recognition, pronouncing you from these moments and on as husband and wife. Now you may kiss your bride, Ryan.
Love only endures when it moves like waves, receding and returning gently or passionately, or moving lovingly like the tide, in the moon's own predictable harmony, because finally, despite a child's scars or an adult's deepest wounds, they are openly free to be who they really are, and always secretly were, in the very core of their being, where true and lasting love can alone abide.
Daryl, I promise to love and cherish you as my wife. I will respect you, encourage you, and support you. I will protect you, dream with you, celebrate with you. I choose you to be my partner in life, and I'm so thankful that you chose me.
I vow to have the patience that love requires. I vow to put ego aside in favor of compassion and forgiveness. I promise to put my faith and trust in you, to be loyal to you and always be on your side. I believe in you, the person you are and will grow to be, and the couple we will be together. This is my sacred vow to you, my equal in all things, in sickness and in health, through sorrow and success, for all the days of my life.